Okay, we're still on topic 3.3, integration by substitution. This is question 3a. We have to integrate 15p squared minus 20p minus 7, all divided by 5p cubed minus 10p squared minus 7p minus 7 dp. The first step is we have to pick a u. Now remember, whatever you pick for u, when you differentiate it, it needs to look like something else. So it's clear here that if I differentiate 5p cubed, I'll end up with 15p squared. So it stands to reason that I might try and let u be the entire bottom line. And sure, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I can go back and try again. So 5p cubed minus 10p squared minus 7p minus 7. Next step, derive. So in this case, it's du dp. So du dp. 3 comes down to multiply, drop the power by 1. 2 comes down to multiply, drop the power by 1. Same thing, power comes out to multiply, but when p goes to 0, it turns to 1. So minus 7p when it's differentiated is just minus 7, which is the top line I have. Next step is to bring my dp over. So du is equal to 15p squared minus 20p minus 7 dp. Okay, so I can see I've got my 15p squared minus 20p minus 7, which is up here, and I've got my dp, which I have here. So I can exchange all of that for du. So now I do my rewrite. Nothing I need to bring outside this time. So the integral of. So I know my top line is going to be gone, but underneath here I have my u. So the top line is gone. I can replace 15p squared minus 20p minus 7 with just du. So you can write it as du over, and 5p cubed minus 10p squared minus 7p minus 7 is what I called u. Now I just want to be clear here, just to make a note. I could have also just rewritten it like this. I could have had 1 over u times du. That's fine. It's the same thing. It's just if I was to put du over 1, top by top, bottom by bottom, it'll just give me this expression here. So keep in mind, all I'm integrating is 1 over u. So the integral of 1 over u, we check our integrals. The integral of 1 over x is the natural log of x. So the integral of 1 over u is the natural log of u. Natural log of the absolute value of u. So natural log of the absolute value of u. Now, I'm not going to put in my plus c yet, because I know u is 5p cubed minus 10p squared minus 7p minus 7. So my integral is the natural log of the absolute value, or modulus of, 5p cubed minus 10p squared minus 7p minus 7. Seeing as I'm at the end, plus c.